How to find phone number on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account, then click on three lines located on top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Go to Account Center. In here you'll find Personal Details. Then simply click on Contact Information, and if you have your phone number in here, simply you will find your phone number below your email. And from here, if you don't have one, you can also click on Add New Contact located on bottom and simply add your phone number. This is how to find phone number on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.